If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will be sharing about the new launch that has been done by the Noise company, that is Noise Buds VS201. Also, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, there will be a giveaway contest for one set of this Noise earbuds, and we'll be picking up one winner as well. So I'll be explaining about how to enter this giveaway contest at any time of the video, so do not skip and stay tuned till the end. So without wasting any other time, let's get started.
So guys, now moving on to the brand. As you all know, it is a brand from Noise. The model name is Buds VS201 True Wireless Stereo, that is TWS earphones, and the pricing in India as of now is ₹1499, but as of the introductory price they are selling it for ₹1299, which is an awesome deal. Okay, so the launch date was on 23rd June 2021, and the headphone type they have given in this model is in ear. So now talking about the charging port, it comes with a USB type C, and the playback hours, like the battery life with the earpieces is 4.5 hours, and with the case the total playback hours that is given is 14 hours. So for 14 hours with the case it will work. So it comes with a dual equalizer and with 6mm speaker driver, and the weight with the case is 50 grams. So now talking about the controls, it comes with fully touch control. It can control the volume button as well as it can attend or reject the calls. It can also switch between call and the music, and this model supports Bluetooth 5.1 and the range is up to 10 meters. And other extra features that is given in this model is that it is compatible with iOS and Android. That means it supports Siri and Google Assistant, so it will be very easy for you. So this product comes with IPX5 water resistant. It is water resistant as well as sweat proof, and this product is in color black, and the warranty given for this product is 1 year, and manufacturing defects are covered inside the warranty. So guys, this is all about Noise Buds VS201, and I would suggest you that this is one of the best budget earphone that comes under ₹1499, and I would suggest you to buy this and use this once. Also, now I will be explaining you about the giveaway and the giveaway contest and how to enter it, so please listen to it carefully and follow all the steps or else you will be eliminated. So step 1 is you have to open the giveaway link that is given in the description box. Step 2 is you have to subscribe to our channel Technology Talks, that is this channel, okay, the main channel. And step 3 is you have to subscribe to our second channel, that is Technology Talks Shorts. Now step 4 is you have to follow our Instagram page, that is @technology_talks, and step 5 is you have to follow us on Twitter @technologyt. So there are some points to be noted. That first point is that inside the giveaway link it will be written as visit our YouTube channel or visit our Instagram page. So what you have to keep in mind is that visit means subscribe. Okay, subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram and Twitter page. Okay, so if anyone fails to follow any of these steps, then they will be automatically disqualified by the link itself. Okay, and the third point is that link will be open only for 50 days, and that is starting from today, 27th June 8 AM IST. Okay, so it will be valid for 50 days and the winners will be announced after that, and we will be declaring the date later on later videos. So all the best guys.
So guys, I hope you like this video. If you liked it, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Also guys, if you have any kind of doubts, you can follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter and DM us there, and we will be always ready to help you guys. So until next time, goodbye, stay safe.